Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a polynomial and we have to express it in the factorized form. So the polynomial is b square minus of 6ab minus of 3b plus 18a. So our first step will be to segregate the terms in a pair of 2. So let's segregate the first two terms. So that is b square minus 6ab, and let's segregate the last two terms, that is minus of 3b plus 18a. Now from b square minus 6ab we can take b common, so b multiplied by b minus 6a, and from minus of 3b plus 18a we can take minus of 3 common, right? So it will be b minus 6a. So ultimately we will have b minus 3 multiplied by b minus 6a. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you.